up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another challenge. Today is Tuesday, and yesterday, if you haven't watched that video, I will put it up in the cards. I did a push-up challenge, and I can tell you today, you guys, I am feeling it. I feel it all in my shoulders, my chest, and my upper back. I even feel it in my abs. So I hope that I could do this challenge today, which is going to be 100 sit-ups. That's my goal and my challenge for today. I may not do them all straight, but I'm going to do my best to get 100 sit-ups, complete sit-ups. So that's what I'm doing today. That's the challenge today. If you want to join me, feel free to join in with me. But I am about to get started. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. But without further ado, let's get to this challenge. Oh, you guys, I am sore. I can feel it all in the bottom of my abs, my chest from yesterday. So I'm going to give it all I got. That's my challenge, and I'm going to do it. Okay, I got my feet up under the chair to help support it when I go up. So, all right, I think I'm going to do 20 at a time. Ready? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that was just 10. Oh my goodness. I think I need something under my bottom. It kind of hurts doing it. Let me go get a pillow. Be right back. Got my pillow. See if this will work. Whew. Y'all got 90 more to go. Oh, Jesus be with me. All right. Hope this works. Ready? Let's go. 11, 12. Oh, that's so much better. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was 10 more. Whew. Yeah, this pillow feels so much better up under me, but oh my goodness, y'all, I feel it all in the bottom of my stomach. Working the bottom abs, working that fupa, working that bottom area of my stomach, which is great. I may do another way as well. I may do something like this. That's what I'm gonna do. Mix it up. I can put my legs in the air and do it. But I'm gonna do 10 more like this and then go from there. But yeah. All right. Ready? Let's go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And the last 3 was a struggle. Okay. That's 30. I have, oh my goodness, I had 70 more. Whew, I could do it. I think this time I'm gonna put my feet up. See if y'all can see. Hold on. Okay. All right. Put my feet up like this, and oh gosh, my arms. Woo! No pain, no gain. You don't feel any pain after you work out. Like the same day or the next day. In my opinion, I don't feel that you work that muscle. You know you work that muscle if you're sore. Now, getting protein can really help with the muscle soreness, from what I've heard, protein. But I actually have not had any protein, as far as like meat or protein powder or shake or anything like that. I actually do not have any here. But I'm winging it and do what I need to do. But yeah, let's get back to it. I got 70 more to do. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Whew. Halfway there, guys. Halfway there. Whew. Halfway there. We're almost there. Oh my goodness. You can tell when you haven't really worked out in a long time. Okay. One thing about me, I don't give up on myself. I keep going no matter what. No matter what. Keep going. If you feel like you cannot do it, or you're feeling discouraged, it's okay. Have your moment. But you get back to what you started. Have your moment. We all have it. We need our moments sometimes. And it's okay. It's okay to have your moment. But get back to your why. Get back to why you started. And you can do it. All right. 50 more. Let's go. Let's get it. I think I'm gonna do 20 more of those. Did I do 20 and 10? Yeah, 20 more. All right. Ready? Woo. I'm gonna touch my toes this time. And go. What's that? 41? No, 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. Oh. 67. 68. 69. 70. Oh. Okay. Oh, feel the burn, you guys. Feel the burn all up in his belly. We gonna make it. Okay. Okay. 70, 30 left. I think I'm gonna do the rest with my feet back up under the chair. And pull it back down. You guys, I'm just so excited to be able to, come back on here and record and like talk to you guys while I'm working out, or just, doing this challenge, doing challenges, period. And just, I miss like just talking to you all, expressing how I feel and just talking. I love doing other content, showing you my blend jet and things I make and food I eat and things like that. But I also like to talk and encourage you guys as well. And for you to see real life things. Me doing this challenge right here is not easy. But I like to share my life and show you guys, along with me what I'm doing. So, yeah. How many? We got 30 left. All right, let's get it. Ready and go. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. What happens to struggle? All right, I got 20 more. Either I'm gonna do it or I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna get it done so we can be done with the sit-up challenge. Whew, 20 more. Come on, Bobby. You can do it. You can do it, girl. You ain't come this far to quit. So let's get it. Okay. Let me slide down a little bit. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 81. Oh my goodness. I had to do it like this. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. Oh, oh, oh. 10 more. 10 more, you guys. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more will be done. 10 more. Oh my goodness. When I said, oh, I'll do 100 sit-ups, I was like, I'm gonna try, you know, I think I could do it with good Lord. I am doing it, but I'm doing it. You know, I'm not gonna talk bad about it. I'm doing it. All right. 10 more. That's it. Give it my all. See if no, I can't do it like that. All right, 10 more. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh. Whew. I did it. Whew. I did it. 100 sit-ups. Go me. I did it. Okay, you guys. So the 100 sit-ups is done. I'm done with that challenge. Pat myself on the back. I actually like doing these, you know, back to back. It gives my body more endurance, give me more strength. And like I said, this is really a challenge. It challenges myself because I haven't been working out for a while. Haven't been working out. I haven't been doing any kind of physical activity besides, you know, us going on a walking trail or something like that. I haven't done much of aggressively working out, sweating, and things like that. So, like I said, this is a challenge and I'm loving it. If you love this kind of content as well, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and ring the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next challenge. Peace.